Okay, guys.
What up?
My name is Pastor Alan Detweiler of the Havendale Christian Church, and we are pleased to have all of you here today to celebrate antiques, good stuff. We have first responders, we have soldiers here, we have veterans, we have old and young alike. We have law enforcement.
Hey,
We've
I like your
got
jacket.
Thank you.
VFW, Color Guard, and we are grateful for all of you to be here today. Where we a long life have lived in the many vehicles that we have had part of, and I am thankful just being a part of this celebration. And I have started just my children in my home.
It looks like one of the Sonic colors. Have I seriously bought this?
$450. It's the new one.
I just want to put on the ground.
But it was in red. Oh, that one's nice.
You know that one song, right? White and Dirty? When that thing starts, the engine smoke be coming out. Is this a squishy?
Yeah, the squishies.
906!
I like how everything. I like your jacket. I love that.
Ooh, I can't stop looking at the engine.
I like the tees.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're fine. I'm not filming yet.
Imagine if everybody got a picture of.
Wow, these are nice concept cars.
922!
This car has a roll cage. Man. Can't tell you how much I love Shelby Cobras.
911, right there, we go.
Even has a Cobra on it.
I like the engine. Start that engine, baby.
Rabbit!
Huh? Mercury!
That's the car that you were
It's a
taking.
Mercury Cougar bus.
I am Isaiah Sawyer, or Isaiah's Island. This is Noah Hipley / 30 Savage Vlogs, and we just were at one of the best car shows I've been at, because the other car show that I was at was trash. All they had was cars with LEDs on it. So we are walking to my old house that we're trying to move back into, and I will see you when we get there. Yeah, we just found a dead animal. We're probably gonna get sued, cause Logan Paul he filmed a dead person.